do notice that over here there's a big building, and on top of it is a lightning rod. And I need to get lightning rods on some of my buildings, actually. And I don't totally understand lightning rods. If I understand correctly, which I probably don't, they don't actually attract lightning. What they allow is the ions, electrons, I don't know, the charge to bleed off into the air out of it and to actually get away from it, which is the opposite of what I thought lightning rods do. So maybe I'm confused. I don't know. Other people know about that stuff. I just know lightning rods are popular, and there's certain times of the year where lightning does hit stuff when there's a big storm. In fact, once lightning hit a building I was in, went through the wiring and knocked me across the room. I was uninjured, surprisingly. So I didn't get hit directly by lightning, but it was a huge surprise. And now when there's a big storm, I shut off anything electric, and I hope it doesn't happen again. It was kind of funny though, because it didn't hurt me.